guys, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial. Now, you guys are probably like, wait, why are we doing a tutorial video today? I mean, then again, I do have how to upload and create thumbnails, which I'll link that in the description. This tutorial is going to be how to use this wonderful app called DU Recorder. Now, obviously, I'm using that right now to film, but like, what you gotta do in order to film and stuff. If I click on the app right now. Okay, so there's a user guide on the app, but I'm going to be a better guide. So this is like the little tab where you edit your videos and stuff, but right here, hit the home button real quick because it's better, but it's better when you don't have the app open. But here you go, when you basically start the app, you can have this little circle on the side of your screen pop up anywhere on the side borders of your screen. Now, with it on the side border of the screen, you're going to click on it because it's going to be an orange circle with a camera inside of it. You're going to click on that, and then there's 4 different circles. Now, the reason why there's 3 circles for me is because I'm recording. You're going to hit the red one to record, the one that says live to live stream, the one with 4 squares to access the app, and there's the one with the camera in it and a wrench in it. That's how you like get face cam and stuff. So you get screenshot camera, which is face cam, and then all of that. But first, let's actually go on to the app. So this is how you edit your videos. So you can edit videos to merge your videos, video GIF, excuse me, or GIF, Wi-Fi transfer, edit image, and stitch images. Now, also gonna go to settings, blah 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 blah. So if you want to edit your videos, you hit edit video, merge videos, merges 2 videos together. Say you're recording on your phone, like I do, and you forgot that you're about to run out of space, or your phone doesn't tell you how much more space you have to film, and it stops recording. You end up deleting some of your videos, but not the one you just filmed, and then you finish filming that video, and then click on merge video, pick the 2 videos, and merge them together. Edit video is just... Do I have any videos right now? I don't know if I upload that video. Hang on, I'll be right back after see if I upload my video. Actually, come to think about it, I already made a video on editing with the DU Screen Recorder, so I'll link the video where I edited with the DU Screen Recorder. Now, right here, I'm just gonna click on this video. This is my video, by the way. So if you don't want the watermark on there, you just hit the little X. It doesn't cost any ads. It's a completely free app. Then you could trim the video, like cut the beginning or the middle, cut the end, and then you can remove middle, add music, which you have to download music. You can add one subtitle, I believe, and you want to hit add subtitle, pick the time, and just hit add, like type whatever you want to type for add subtitle. Then there's intros and outros, which isn't like the animated intros and outros, but it's like you pick a picture, you add a custom picture for the intro and same for the outro. But the outro ones are kind of different stuff. Like they're the same, but they're like not the same. You know what I'm trying to say here. But anyways, then you can add the background images, which is only for horizontal videos when you're recording with your phone straight up, which probably is what happened for this one. And then you can crop. But you can like crop it to like do really cool zoom in parts and stuff and do compilations. But yeah, I don't want to save. Anyways, that was a quick little video. Actually, no. I haven't tried the video to GIF yet, so I'm gonna try this one that I made. I was trying to animate and stuff. Okay, save. Oh, so like it basically trims your video to 20 seconds. And you can edit images, which I'm gonna edit my Swaggo potato. Which just because of this, I'm gonna blur this because I'm too lazy. Oh no, wait, why does it look darker with the blur? Like I blur across the lines. That looks actually better. Wow. But now I'm gonna add this saying Mr. Alright, hit brush. Mr. Swaggo. Swag potato. It's just Swaggo potato. Then we're gonna crop it out just so she's not in the picture, but she's like, what? Why is this Swaggo potato? And I'm gonna post it to Instagram, link in her description. speaking of Instagram, that little cut right there was the first ever cut in video that it made for me. That was odd. But anyway, Stitch Images is where you pick two images, such as, I'm gonna pick you and pick you. I'm gonna pick these guys together because I want to like try it. So tap to remove the part you don't need. Okay. Yeah, that actually didn't work. That didn't work that well, but this, I mean, I don't know how to use the Stitch Images properly. I'm not like one of the animators who do Photoshop. I know how to do Photoshop and stuff, but thank you all so much for watching this quick little tutorial video. And actually, speaking of Instagram, let's go see something real quick. Here's my Instagram right now. I'll move my face camera so you guys can see. That's my Instagram right there. At Josie _the _ wolf _ YouTube. That's my thing. And right here, last night at 4 a.m. 18 Eastern time, we hit 1.900 views, 1.9 thousand views. So it's like we need 100 more, because like once we get 100 more, that's 8,000 more views to go till we hit the big 10K. Anyways, I said thank you all so much for 1.9K views, 100 more on 2K, then premiere Wolfie and the Wolf Guardians. Now, Wolfie and the Wolf, I know I said then the guarantee of Wolf, then premiere. The premiere, which I already have the preview, I'm going to try my hardest to animate it, because I'm going to like try. Because I need to hire a good animator, like one of those big shot, huge animators. I'm broke, I can't pay them. One of my friends probably will end up hiring to animate and stuff. But anyways, if you know how to, if you're good at animating, please enter the animation contest. I'll link that video below too. And yeah, see you all next time. Peace.